wind is getting stronger.
Help me!
Stay up! Ah! I thought I was lost.
Come, catch the heat.
The tundra does not forgive mistakes. Eat this. Thank you, Elder.
The spirits of the tundra are restless tonight.
I thought the white darkness would take me.
Never lose your path when the wind speaks.
My supplies were lost in the drift. Thank you for finding me, Elder.
The taiga provides for those who wait.
We are 3 miles from the river camp.
My legs feel like heavy stones.
Sleep now. Drink. This will wake your blood.
Thank you, Elder.
The storm is angry tonight.
Do you think the others found cover?
The tundra takes what it wants.
Help me, great spirit of the cold. Let the storm pass and guide me home. I am so cold.
The wind is changing direction. Is something out there? Keep the fire small.
It is getting so cold.
Eat. You need the strength. What do you see? The wind is changing direction.
We will wait.
The wind is changing.
Does that mean it will stop soon?
No. It means the spirits are searching.
Searching for what?
For the heat we have stolen from the mountain.
My father said this would protect me.
He was a wise man.
Where are you going?
We must breathe. Save your strength. The real walk begins tomorrow. The air is changing. Will the hole be enough to breathe? It will keep the spirit of the air moving. The tundra does not hide you. It only waits for you to find yourself. What is this? An offering to the fire.
It smells like the mountain summer.
Sleep now. The storm will break before the sun rises.
Thank you, Elder.
The wind is changing.
Does that mean we can leave?
It means the deep cold is coming.
We have no more food.
The tundra provides if you know where to look.
Thank you, Elder.
The spirits of the forest are quiet tonight.
It is so still.
Sleep now. The wind is changing.
Is it morning?
The storm has broken. The path is clear now. Walk where I walk. We are home.